There's a lot resting on a gas chromatograph. Accuracy, reliability, they're critical to reducing lost energy and lost revenue. GCs are complex instruments, and that complexity can pose real challenges in today's environment of shrinking field expertise, timelines, and CapEx budgets. That's where the 370XA comes in.
The 370 had to be designed with simplicity in mind for basically two reasons. One is many 370s would be mounted remote from a large body of engineering expertise or even multiple service technicians. So the product has to be easy to install, maintain, and repair. The second area is kind of an industry trend that we're seeing where a lot of chromatographers are retiring. And so the product needs to have some of their expertise moved into the software so it's easier to use.
The 370XA is the latest in our industry-leading, field-proven line of gas chromatographs.
We've been doing the custody transfer measurement on pipelines for many years now with the Model 500 and the 700XA gas chromatographs, and we've distilled a lot of that experience and knowledge into the 370XA so that it's focused just on the C6 Plus measurement, and it uses a lot of that knowledge to simplify and also make it easier for the user to use the GC in the field.
A guy might have to drive 50 miles or 100 miles to get to this GC. He's faced with, one, he's all alone. He's not exactly sure what the problem is. And he's coming with the expertise that he got from a training class.
So what does simpler, easier to use really mean? We turn to our human-centered design program to find out.
Well, human-centered design is a design philosophy that Emerson started many years ago, even before the design of the 370XA, to make our products usable by real customers.
The human-centered design approach led us to several key usability features on the 370XA, like this game changer, the maintainable module.
The maintainable module is so unique. There's nothing else out there like it. There's other GCs that have a module, but once the module's replaced, that module just gets thrown away. And so what we've done is we've built a module where we can replace it quickly in the field, but we can cost effectively repair what's broken in the module rather than throw everything out. You're just repairing what's gone wrong.
The 370XA's full-color LOI and built-in software assistance guide technicians through common tasks, like module replacement or change calibration.
When we did our testing, we realized that changing a module required multiple screens with data entry in multiple places, and it confused our users. The feedback was, I'm not sure where to go next.
Once the module is on, the GC actually starts itself up. Once you put power on there, once you put the gases back on there, it starts it up and it looks at the module, recognizes there's a new module on there, and then goes through the startup processes of heating up, purging, running calibration gas, calibrating itself, maybe even doing some adjustments itself, and then going online without the user actually having to push a button.
Software assistance on the local display step users through previously complex processes.
An example of that is the change calibration gas assistant. And what we've done is we've created a little assistant that steps the user through the step-by-step procedure of how to remove the bottle, how to put the new bottle on, how to purge it. Then the GC actually prompts the user to enter the new calibration values, and then it will analyze the gas, calibrate the gas, and then go online by itself.
So that in one set of flows with a set of screens, you do this, it tells you what to do, you do that, and then you say, I'm ready to go to the next thing.
And the 370XA is built as tough and reliably as the whole XA line. In the world of custody transfer and measurement, you can't be too precise. So we go above and beyond with testing.
The first test that we do is we test our boards. We do electronic tests on our boards to make sure that they're communicating properly. The next test we do is a startup test in the lab. We do a repeatability test to make sure that the unit is performing continuously. And then we also do a chamber test. where we bring the unit down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we bring it up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit.
The 370XA's unique features speak directly to what our customers said they wanted in a C6 Plus gas chromatograph. Plus, it's just smart design.
We've tried to make the GC a lot smarter and easier to use by taking a lot of that experience that we have in operating and maintaining GCs in the field for many, many years, and putting that into a lot of software assistance and also into the mechanical design of the GC.
Another big benefit that the 370XA gives us is in the design of the valves. We're actually able to pre-build and pre-test the valves before final assembly. So you're reducing the chances of leaks, and it reduces the chances of rework.
For users, this smart design means ease of use. For engineering and operations, it means reduced installation costs, lower operational costs, and less reliance on rapidly exiting expertise. For more information, visit us at rosemountananalytical.com.